Previously on Dream Chasing LA.
Y'all gotta see this. I need to ask this question and try to use my following and to my advantage. Went to Ross and TJ Maxx and peeped the scene, you know what I'm talking about, see what they had. But I ain't buy nothing because I'm broke. But you can't even see. How you gonna do the puzzle?
It's easy, dude.
This not easy. I know it's nighttime, y'all can't really see me. By the way, just edited and uploaded the episode 4. If y'all haven't seen that, go look at it. But I'm just leaving the gym, and it's been you know, sometimes you just start thinking, you know, and I'm a Gemini, so I'm an overthinker. But I think that the hardest part for me was making it a week. Now that it's been past a week, like, I'm starting to feel grateful. Like, when it all breaks down, my dream was to move to LA, so it's kind of like my dream is already here. You feel me? Let me turn in here real quick and get this gas so I can work this Postmates. I'll be back to y'all in a minute. Motherfuckers. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Let me roll these windows up. I think y'all can hear me like this, but let me make sure. Okay. What type of difference did that make? I don't know until I hear it in the headphones, but yeah, like I said, I was working Postmates, just left the gym, and I was thinking to myself, like, man, an overwhelming feeling of like gratitude that I actually, because there's people out here doing way worse than me. If you don't believe me, go to Skid Row, LA. Anytime you having a down day or feeling like you haven't accomplished nothing, go to Skid Row. It will completely change your outlook on life. But like I was saying, my goal from 2012 or 13, literally the first time I ever flew to LA, I said instantly, I said to myself, oh shit, there's some shit going down around here. Some police shit going down. Got the street blocked off, so it looked like I'm gonna have to find my own way. Oh shit, I'm fucking up.
In half a mile, turn left onto Burbank Boulevard.
But yeah, I completely forgot what I was saying. But yeah, since the first time I ever touched down to LA, literally the second I got off the plane, I said, there is no other place that I want to live. If you don't know nothing about me, I'm very well traveled from a young age, and it's just something about LA. The moment, it's like a constant energy that you feel that I haven't felt nowhere else yet.
Turn left onto Burbank Boulevard.
Haven't been anywhere else that's made me feel the way that LA has made me feel. But the point of the story is, I was feeling a great sense of gratitude that I made it this far and made it this long. And I feel like since I know LOA got me, that ain't shit gonna stop me. I didn't mean to rhyme, but it's just about time.
Continue
Gotta
on
go.
Boulevard for 1.
Roll these windows down.
Mile, turn right onto Roscoe Boulevard.
So, roll these windows up so y'all can hear what I'm saying. Just got out from Amazon. It's like 9 o'clock. On the way back to the gym for the second time so I can shower. But goddamn, today was a rough one.
Turn right onto Roscoe Boulevard.
I can tell that I'm definitely going to be getting a hotel room tonight or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow, because it'll be useless to pay for a whole night. And I ain't even gonna be there tonight since it's already 9 o'clock. But hopefully the camera don't fall.
Continue on Roscoe Boulevard.
But
for
yeah, man,
1.5
today was
miles.
just one of them days. I don't know, it just seemed like it was long today. I don't know why yesterday was so smooth. That's probably why, because you know life is about balance, so it's got to balance itself out. But hopefully tonight, I don't know, I really don't even feel like working post next, but I don't know, I might get some good tips or something. But I'll let y'all know. So today is one of them days, like I knew it was gonna be. I could feel it coming yesterday. So I went ahead and booked me a room for tonight. Hopefully this bed's night's sleep will put me in a better mood. I was supposed to go to work, but then like where the hotel is and the check-in time didn't match. Plus I need, yeah, just in case you forgot, the number one thing here is paying that gas price. So they were so far away from each other, it didn't make sense for me to go to work. So I just let that shift go. But about to find a Starbucks just to chill for a little bit. Check-in time at like 2. I got like 2 hours to kill. So yeah. So I just got out the shower. Fresh shave, and thought that shit was gonna make me feel better. But for some reason, I'm still in this like down mood. I don't know why. But I mean, in life, it's about ups and downs. You can't really be up at all time. You can't really be down at all time. So it's expected, but I don't know why. I really have no clue. But anyway, I can't stay down and feeling sorry for myself and all that bullshit. So I'm about to go get out here. I don't know, maybe find some good ass food to eat, work for a couple hours, come back, attempt to sleep, but most likely I won't be able to. So I'm gonna edit this video right here. And if I can't edit, then I'm gonna watch a movie. But I'll check in on y'all. So I just pulled up at Denny's. I decided I'm gonna just get something to eat and go back to the room to edit, so I can get this video out. If I can't edit, watch a movie or something, I don't know. I gotta get out this mental state.